Now we are doing exercise 1.2, which is totally based on fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay? You are asked to express each number, मतलब each positive integer, as a product of its prime factors. Okay? Very simple. First number is 140. Second number is 156. And third number here given is, I think, third number here given is 5005. So let us start with two numbers. Okay? 140 should be divided by our old method. 2 से divide करो, क्या आया 70. फिर से 2 से करो 35. You applied your condition of divisibility. Then 5 से करो 7. फिर 7 से करो 1. 1 आया मतलब factorization is over. So 140 can be written as 2 दो बार है तो 2 raised to 2. 5 एक बार है 5 raised to 1 into 7 एक बार 7 raised to 1. So I express this as a product of prime factors. So every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factors. Okay, it's a unique and apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Now 156, तो उसका भी करो. 2 से करो तो 7 2 जा 14, 8 2 जा 16. 2 से करो. 3 2 जा 6, 9 2 जा 18. 3 से करो. 13 3 जा, टेबल पक्के होने चाहिए. 13 करो 13 1 जा. So now my 156 can be expressed as 2 raised to 2. 2 occur 2 times. 3 occur 1 time and 13 also occur 1 time. Clear? Third number is 3825. Fourth number is 5005. Fifth number is 7429. There are 3 more numbers which I should express them as a product of primes. So let me apply my old method. Divide by 5. So 1 0 0 1. 1 and 1 2. It is not divisible by 3. 5 से भी नहीं है. 7 से भी नहीं है. 11 से ट्राई करो. 11 1 जा 11. 7 से करोगे तो 7 1 जा 7. 3 7 4 जा 28. राइट. 2 7 3 जा 21. फिर 11 से करो. 7 से करो पहले. राइट. 7 7 43. फिर 11 से करो. 11 से करो. 11 1 जा 11 3 जा. 7 से हो गया. फिर 13 से करो. 1. So my 5005 can be expressed as 5 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 1 into 11 raised to 1 into 13 raised to 1. Okay. Now 7429. 9 into 11 and 4 15 and 7 22. 22 है मतलब 3 से नहीं होगा, 2 से नहीं होगा. राइट. मैंने 5 से नहीं होगा, 7 से भी नहीं हुआ, 11 से ट्राई करो नहीं होगा, 13 से नहीं होगा, सीधा 17 से होगा. 17 4 जा 68, 17 3 जा 51, राइट. 11 and 9, 17 7 जा. अब उसको 19 से करो. 19 2 जा 38, 5 बचा. 19 3 जा 57. फिर 23 से करो. So my 7429 can be expressed as 17 raised to 1 into 19 raised to 1 into 23 raised to 1. Okay. Now 3825. ओरली तो होगा नहीं. पहले 5 से करो क्योंकि लास्ट डिजिट इज 5. 7 5 जा 6 5 जा 5 5 जा. फिर से 5 से करो. 1 5 जा 5 5 जा 3 5 जा. 3 से करो. क्यों? 5 and 3 8 and 1 9. So 3 से डिविजिबल. 51 3 जा. फिर से 3 से करो. 17 3 जा. 17 से करो, 17 प्राइम है. We should divide by prime number only, okay? Because we should express every composite number as a product of primes. 3 occur 2 times, 3 square into 5 square into 17 raised to 1. हो गया first sum over. Now, second sum of your exercise 1.2 is find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers. Okay, and verify the result LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, you verify this result also. Now there are many sums. First sum is 26 and 91. Second sum is 510 and 92. First we perform with this 26. First I have to write their prime factorization. It is 13 2 ja, so 2 raised to 1 into 13 raised to 1 हो गया. Then 91. It is 13 7 ja, so 7 raised to 1 into 13 raised to 1 हो गया. Now LCM. What is LCM? Is a product of all factor. All factor मतलब 2 into 7 into 13 with highest index. My highest index is 1. So it is 182. Now HCF. HCF is a product of common factor. My common factor is only 13 and lowest index is 1. So my HCF is 13. Now let me verify. HCF into LCM. That is 13 into 182. So answer is multiplied करोगे तो 2366. And I find out A into B also. A into B is 26 into 91. Corner में multiplied करो 91 into 26. You will be getting again 2366. Both are equal, so I verify this. Same way 510. इसके फैक्टर तो हम ओरली निकाल नहीं सकते. पहले 2 से लिया तो 255, फिर 5 and 5 10 into 12, so 3 से लिया तो 85, फिर 5 से लिया तो 17, फिर 17 से लिया तो 1. Clear? So I can write 510 can be written as 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1 into 17 raised to 1. Okay? Now 92 का निकालो. 246, 223 and 23 1. ये सब आपने सीखा है. So 922 can be written as 2 raised to 2 into 23 raised to 1. Now what is the HCF? HCF is a common factor. So common factor is 2. Lowest index is 2. So HCF is 2. And LCM is product of all factor with highest index. So all factor are 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. And highest index is 1, here 1, here 1 and here 2. Into 23, sorry. रह गया. इसका भी 1 power. So, my LCM into HCF. I write LCM in form of product of prime powers, okay? 23 raised to 1. Into I should multiply with 2 raised to 1. Same way, A into B, I will get 510 into 92. इसके भी फैक्टर लिखेंगे तो यही आएगा 2 cube into 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1 into 17:1 into 23:1. फैक्टर्स लेंगे उसके तो वही आएंगे. पहले 510 के फैक्टर ले लो. 2:1 into 3:1 into 5:1 into 17:1 into 92 के लिख दो 2:2 into 23:1. So 2 आ जाएगा. Both side are equal. Clear? Now third sum of this is 336 and 54. For 336, I can find their prime factors like this. 2 से करेंगे तो 168, फिर से 2 से करेंगे तो 84, फिर से 2 से करेंगे तो 42, फिर से 2 से करेंगे तो 21, 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 7, 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1. Clear? So 336 can be written as 2:4 into 3:1 into 7:1. Now 54 तो हम डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. It is 2 into 27. So 2:1 into 3:3. Because 54 का आप करो तो 2 करो तो 27, 3 करो तो 9, फिर से 3 करो तो 3, फिर से 3 करो तो 1. So what is my LCM? My LCM is 2 into 3 into 7 all factors with highest index मतलब raised to 4, raised to 3 and raised to 1. And HCF is a product of common factor. Common factor are 2 and 3 only. Lowest index is 1, so HCF is 6. So LCM into HCF is, इसको करो 2:4 is 16 into 27, 3³ into 7 into 6. So it is 18,144. Now we find out A into B. It is 336 into 54. अब 336 into 54 orally मत करना 0, 0, 8, 6, 1, 4, 4, फिर it is 3 and 1. So it is 18144. So my answer is 18,144. So both are equal. So I verify this. Okay? Clear? Now third sum of your exercise 1.2 is find the LCM and HCF of the following integers. इसमें आपको more than 2 दिया. Just by applying the prime factorization method. I can find out HCF of 3 numbers by that division algorithm method also. I will teach you later on, okay? It is given in many reference books. First is 12. Second number is 15 and third number is 21. You are asked to find out HCF and LCM of 12, 15 and 21, 3 numbers. So 12 should be written as 2:2 into 3:1. 15 should be written as 3:1 into 5:1. And 21 should be written as 3:1 into 7:1. Now LCM is product of all factors. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. But highest power of 2 is 2, 3 is 1, 5 is 1, 7 is 1. So my answer is 420. HCF is a product of all common factor with lowest index. Common factor is 3. Clear? Now there is another sum, second sum, 17, 23 and 29. Here these three numbers all are relatively prime, okay? So their HCF is 1. When HCF is 1, LCM will be what? Product of all these numbers, 17 into 23 into 29, okay? When three numbers are relatively prime, then HCF is 1, so LCM is product of all three numbers. Same way you are given third sum, where you are given number 8, 9 and 25. Here also they are relatively prime. Relatively prime matlab their product, the HCF is 1. HCF of all three is 1. So what is LCM? LCM is a product of all. 8 should be written as 2 cube, 9 should be written as 3 square, 25 should be written as 5 square, nothing is common, so HCF is 1. And LCM is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square, and that is 1800. Okay? 25 8 ja, 200, 209 ja, 1800, okay? Some are very simple. Now fourth sum of exercise 1.2. Given that here HCF of 306 and 657, you need not to find out. They have given ready-made 9. You are asked to find the LCM of both 306, 657. Okay? Without finding the prime factorization. Here I applied the important fact. We know that, what you know about, what is the relation between HCF, LCM and number? HCF into LCM is equal to A into B, okay? So naturally it implies LCM is A into B upon HCF. Same way, suppose HCF is asked, then A into B upon LCM. Clear? So it is 306 into 657 upon 9. 9 गया 34 के 9 34 जा 306. अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी 657 into 34, it is 0 7 3 ja 21 carry 2, 15 to 17 carry 1, 18 and 1 19, 7 4 ja 28 carry 2, 22 carry 2, 24 and 2 26. So my answer is 22,338. So my LCM is 22,338. Clear? Now sum number 5. What is the sum? Check. वही sum. वो 4:n वाला था ना वही. Check whether 6:n, 4:n की जगह इधर 6:n दिया है. 6:n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number or not. Now 6 can be factorized as 2 into 3. 6 has two factors, 2 into 3. So 6:n can be written as 2 into 3:n. So it is 2:n into 3:n. So 6:n has prime factors 2 and 3 only. prime factors 2 and 3 only. In order to get number end with 0, one of the factors should be 5. Here it is not possible. Clear? There is no factor like 5 in my factorization of 6 raised to n. Okay? Not possible. Therefore 6 raised to n cannot end with digit 0 for any natural number. Okay? There won't be 0 at the end for any natural number. Clear? Clear? So this sum is very similar to our illustration number 2 or 3. Now there is one more sum, 6th sum. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite number. Why these are composite number? For composite number we should prove it has factor other than 1 in itself. Okay? So 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 can be written as 13 common. So in bracket I will get 77 plus 1. So this number has two factors, 13 and 78, other than 1 and itself. Therefore this number is composite number. Okay? Why this is composite number? It has got factor like 13 and 78, as it has one of the factor as 13 and many more. Clear? Same way 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. You take out 5 common, in bracket you will get 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1 has one of the factor 5, which is other than 1 in itself. Therefore this is not prime, matlab this is composite number. Because composite number has factor other than 1 in itself, and they have factor other than 1 in itself. Okay?